I've been in quality now for about 2.5 years. 14 years I've been at GS. So basically my main function of that job is to ensure quality and manufacturing processes that we do at GS. Before that, I was in large builds, building our more complex things, our larger systems, dealing with electronics, hydraulics, larger pumps, larger motors, full system testing, and I did that for a number of years. It's an achievement and an advantage because the fact that, you know what, I was able to succeed on the floor and then move into a more developed role, but I also have the background, the experience in which I brought with me from all the years that I had on the floor that helped me understand what I go out there to do. So most of the stuff that I inspect, I've already built. So I have a good understanding of what it's supposed to do, what the component's supposed to look like, how it's supposed to operate, how it's supposed to run. So it kind of gives me a deeper insight than having an outside source look at those components. So it just gives me the edge on what I need to do. Somebody said anything worth doing is worth doing right. So if I'm going to do something and get involved with it from a quality aspect of it, that's just like putting my name down on that piece of paper saying, hey, I signed off on it. So when it goes out the door, they have somebody to come back to. So I take a lot of pride in that because I'm the last person, or another member of my team are the last person that looks at that product before it makes it to the customer. I think everybody at GS really does do that because from customer service to entering the orders correctly, to engineering to design it correctly, to purchasing and make sure that we get the parts here as soon as possible on time for the customer, because that's exactly what's important, is customer happiness, customer appreciation, because a happy customer will keep coming back. So I think everybody takes a little bit of pride and a little bit of ownership in what they do, and that actually helps everybody along the way. So as a company combined, I really feel that each individual person pulls their weight and does what is required of them because they also sign off on their work as well.